Imagine if every second you spent on your phone actually made you money. Sounds wild, right? But it's real. Some apps now pay you just for keeping your screen on. No surveys, no games, no purchases. This is passive income for what you already do: scrolling, unlocking, or just letting your phone sit. Today, we will show you 3 legit apps that pay for your screen time, plus a sneaky tip for each to maximize your cash. They have been tested by others and will walk you through how to hack your earnings. Grab your phone. By the end of this video, it'll be your new side hustle. Don't forget to grab our free The Make Money with Phone newsletter and free proven Make Money apps that can pay today report. Scan QR code or click link in description for instant access now. Let's get to it. Number 1 for phone apps that pay for screen time is Have ScreenLift, a clever little app that's about to change the way you think about unlocking your phone. This app pays you real rewards every single time you unlock your phone. Yes, you heard that right. You get paid for something you already do countless times a day. Each unlock magically earns you what they call lift points. And these points add up surprisingly fast. Just think for a moment about how often you instinctively check your phone throughout the day. It's probably more than you realize. Once you've accumulated enough, you can redeem those points for valuable gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Google Play, Walmart, and a whole host of other fantastic options. The best part? It's incredibly easy. Simply download the app, set ScreenLift as your default lock screen, and immediately start earning passive income with every single swipe you make. Now, want to supercharge your earnings and make even more? Here's a little-known hack that can significantly boost your lift points. Enable the Tap to Wake or Raise to Wake feature, which you can usually find tucked away in your phone's display settings. This nifty setting allows you to quickly unlock your phone with just a simple tap on the screen, or by simply lifting your phone, dramatically multiplying the number of daily unlocks you perform, and of course, significantly boosting your points accumulation. Standing and waiting in a long line? Tap, swipe, and earn those points. Feeling a bit bored at your desk and need a quick distraction? Tap, swipe, and earn. By implementing this simple trick, you have the potential to easily triple your daily earnings, all without making any significant changes to your current daily routine. It truly is the simplest and most effortless way to transform an everyday habit into a steady stream of extra cash. With ScreenLift, your phone's unlock button is no longer just a button. It's now your very own personal money button, ready to generate rewards with every tap and swipe. Like that little insider tip? Don't forget to grab our free The Make Money with Phone newsletter and free proven Make Money apps that can pay today report. Scan QR code or click link in description for instant access. Now, let's get to it. All right, let's dive into another fantastic way to earn some extra cash with minimal effort. Number 2 for phone apps that pay for screen time up is S'more, the app that pays you for doing absolutely nothing, or at least very close to it. It's perfect for those moments when you're just lounging around. All you have to do is keep your phone unlocked and the screen on. That's it. S'more displays ads on your lock screen, replacing the usual background with something that generates income. And the best part? It pays you daily, consistently adding to your earnings. There's virtually no interaction needed from you after the initial setup. The longer your screen stays on and active, displaying those ads, the more points you rack up, leading to bigger rewards over time. This makes it perfect for when you're streaming your favorite shows, engrossed in a good book, or even following a complex recipe in the kitchen. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for gift cards to Amazon, Target, Starbucks, and many more popular retailers. The options are quite diverse, ensuring there's something for everyone. Want to really maximize your earnings potential with S'more? A simple trick is to set your phone's screen timeout to the longest possible setting available in your phone's display options. Also, remember to keep your phone plugged in and charging, especially while you're relaxing at home. Consider playing a long looping YouTube video, perhaps something calming like a fireplace video with the screen on. This way, S'more registers that you're active and engaged, and you continue to earn points consistently for hours on end, even while you're not directly interacting with your phone. It truly becomes a set-and-forget moneymaker, working silently in the background. So, transform that idle screen time into real, tangible rewards, effortlessly boosting your income. Number 3 for phone apps that pay for screen time app we're exploring today is MySlide. It essentially pays you to transform your phone's lock screen and home screen into a dynamic display of content and advertisements. Think of it as turning your screen into a mini billboard. MySlide integrates seamlessly, displaying content on your home screen or lock screen without disrupting your normal phone usage. It's designed to be unobtrusive and blend in with your daily routine. The way it works is simple. You earn points for every swipe you make on your phone. And the best part? You earn points whether you actively engage with the displayed content or simply dismiss it. Every interaction, or lack thereof, contributes to your earnings. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can cash out for a variety of rewards, including gift cards to your favorite stores, direct PayPal cash transfers, or even mobile recharges to keep you connected. What sets MySlide apart is that it's designed to be non-intrusive. The app tailors the content displayed to your specific interests, ensuring that you're seeing things that are relevant and engaging to you. This personalization helps it feel less like you're just seeing ads and more like you're discovering interesting articles and information. Here's the secret to maximizing your earnings with MySlide. MySlide rewards consistency above all else. To make the most of it, set reminders on your phone to check in at least twice a day. Aim for a quick check-in in the morning and another one at night. Consistent check-ins will unlock daily bonuses and open the door to higher-paying offers that significantly boost your earnings. Integrating this simple habit into your daily routine can potentially double your earnings over time, making it a worthwhile addition to your phone usage. By using MySlide consistently, you're essentially turning your phone's main screen, which you look at countless times a day, into a passive yet consistent daily income stream. The check-ins take just seconds, but the rewards accumulate surprisingly fast, making it a low-effort way to earn extra cash. So why not make your home screen work for you and start earning with MySlide today? Don't go yet, because isn't it great to be paid by using your smartphone for what you already do? With ScreenLift, S'more, and MySlide, your phone becomes a passive income machine. Pro tip: use these apps mostly while charging, lower your screen brightness, and enable dark mode to save battery. Want more phone money hacks? Sign up for our free The Make Money with Phone newsletter and free money-making report. Link in the description or scan the QR code. It's packed with tips to help you earn more every week. Start getting paid today. Don't miss out. Now go get that free money.